Right, if you bring your right hand, that's your left. James.
Good start.
Come and put it here. That's it. That was just for you. So you can see I'm making James's template.
Oh, gorgeous.
Yeah. Bring your left hand up and hold here. That's it. Keep hold of that one. That's it. This is one for a live Facebook feed. If you swap hands at the front now. So left hand to the front,
that's it, this side.
And that's it, go around there and relax. You excited?
I can't wait, I've just seen how good that preview one looks.
Yeah. Come around and hold.
Do you want to take it off?
No. Put your head back for me. Right, if you spin around there, James, have a look at, I'll hold this for you, and have a look where you put your, when you're working your drag, your drag, where do they go?
So from...
Can I put your hairline there? Is that just above where they go?
I'd maybe take it a tiny bit higher.
Right, okay.
Just
Right.
in case.
Alright, if you come around here and hold these again. Sit. Head back for me. Sit. Do you like the square look, yeah?
Yeah. I get so jealous when I see people in town.
Yeah, well...
Everyone else is looking at people's shoes and bags, I'm looking at the hairline.
That's really good, yeah? Excellent. Your arm's aching yet?
No, not yet. I must get a selfie like this.
So what time did you finish last night? 12ish.
Oh, 4 o'clock this morning.
4?
Yeah.
Where was that?
Superstar Blues Bar in Liverpool.
Was it busy last night?
It was alright-ish. Not bad for a Tuesday. Tuesday's usually really busy, but it's a bit of a quiet week.
Look at you. Yeah. Backing. Job done. Smile at the camera.